Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about animated images in our HTML image tag. So quickly, if you have been following me from the start of this playlist, if you I have one tutorial where I discuss about image, and the tutorial is getting long a little. So the length of the video is somehow long, so I try to explain everything you need to understand about the image tag there, but I didn't really have the opportunity to explain each ways very well. That's why I later start cutting my tutorial short so that you guys can be able to understand it clearly. So now, one of the advantage of it now is that I want to quickly one of the advantage of cutting it short now is part of this thing I want to do right now, because I forgot when I just remembered that I wasn't able to explain this gif of a thing very well. I didn't explain it very well, to be honest. So now I want to explain it for you guys clearly again, because this is the way you can display animated images on your HTML page. So inside your opening tag of the image, don't you forget the image tag doesn't compulsory the closing tag. That's why everything is going to be inside the opening tag. So HTML allows animated GIFs. So for instance, now you have your source attribute, alt attribute, and star attribute. We have discussed about that. We have discussed about the thing we are keeping inside them, the width and height. We have discussed about it. But right now we want to discuss about this animated GIF. I have a picture in my folder right here. Let me open it for you guys. Where is my folder? My folder is here, and I'm having picture programming, which is this picture. I'm having it. This picture is an animated GIF picture, which if I click it now, it's supposed to be, as you can see. Let me zoom it so you can see. I can't be able to zoom this picture right here, but I will do that for you in our HTML page. So as you can see, it's animating. So let me show you how this picture is going to be displayed. I name it programming.gif. Let's get back to our document. This is what we are having right here, and this is what we are having right here in our previous tutorial. You can check our playlist for it. We have how to on a bulb light using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can check the HTML JavaScript playlist or the HTML CSS JavaScript. You are going to find this there, because we use a little bit CSS and we use some JavaScript and HTML. So this is the code that did everything for us. There's no any magic in it. I've explained all this for you guys. So, and also we have explained no script tag. Also you can check the playlist for it also. So quickly, I want to show you how to display GIF. So this image right here is our big underscore bob of dot GIF that we are having. So as you can see, this is the picture right here. Let's say for instance now I remove this picture. Now let's reload our document. You see there's no picture there, so let's keep something pick off, so we can be able to see something instead of empty something. As you can see, pick off, as you can see. So but let's now say we want to change the image to another image that will be animating. Let's give it programming.gif, the image that is animating inside our document. So let's reload it. Can you see it's animating now? Now when we click on, you can see our light come back off. Our light come back. When we reload our document from the start, as you can see, it's displaying the animation gif. So we can use this anyhow we want, and we can treat it anyhow we want. So that's just what I want to show you guys. You can use animated gif, animated picture, and we can style it. We can give it width and height. So I like to use the style attribute to style everything. So let's give it width 200 pixel. Let's see, maybe it will get bigger. Can you see it get bigger? As you can see it's animating. So the gif is animating now, as you can see, and we can click our whatever we want to click, and it's still going to work. As you can see, our thing is working. Very nice. So I have forgotten to show you guys how to display animated GIF, and that's what I'm here for now. I've already shown you guys now. So in the next future tutorial, we are going to discuss about how we can style things like this also in more advanced way. So Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and make sure you practice.